people, my name is Nakul. I hope you all are doing great. You're watching How About Tech, and today in this video we will talk about some amazing yet lesser known mobile games. These are my pick of top 5 favorite mobile games which aren't as popular as some other mobile games. However, you should check these games out as these are free to play games and they are very fun to play. You would surely enjoy them. All of these games are available on both the Android and iOS devices. However, I haven't checked these games on an Android device, so I am not sure about their performance on the Android. However, you can expect somewhat similar performance on both the Android and iOS devices. Now let's begin this video. The first game on our list is Pocket Tanks, which is one-on-one artillery game. It is a very simple to learn yet fun to play game. It is a fast-paced artillery game in which there are two tanks. One is you and the other one is your opponent, and you have to score points against your opponent by attacking them from a wide variety of weapons. The points depend upon the weapon you choose, and at the end of the game, the one with the highest point wins the game. There are many difficulty levels which you can select from if you choose to play against a computer, or you can play against your friends as well in one-on-one mode. There are wide varieties of weapons. However, in each game both the parties get 10 weapons. You can either choose a weapon or you can select quick pick, and the computer will randomly distribute weapon against both the players. Once the game starts, you have to decide various aspects of the game like the angle of your shot, power of your shot, or which weapon you want to choose. You can select any weapon and attack your opponent with it. There are many different kind of weapons in this game, and it is a very fun to play game. No matter if you play it large number of time, still you're gonna enjoy this game a lot, especially if you decide to play it with your friends. There are many variables that you need to figure out in order to succeed. Once you begin the game, you might need some time to get used to it, but once you do, you will surely enjoy this amazing game. This is the free version of the game in which you get 45 weapons to select from. However, there is also a deluxe version in which there is a wide variety of weapons, more than 300 weapons to choose from, and if you like the game, you can opt for the deluxe version as well. You would enjoy the game more. The next game on our list is Toy Blast, which is a matching puzzle game. In this game, you have to match cubes of same color and combine boosters for huge explosions. There are thousands of levels in this game, and it is very fun to play. Also, it is very easy to master. It is similar to Candy Crush, but in this game, you have to combine cubes to create powers like rotors, TNTs, etc. And there are objectives in each level which you have to complete to move on to next level. All levels are different from the previous level, and it is very interesting to play. You can play it for long hours and you won't get bored. The next game on our list is Pokemon Quest, and you will surely love this game if you love to play Pokemon games. In this game, there are Pokemons in the form of cubes, and you have to head out with your team of Pokemons in search of treasure on island. Your goal is to find awesome goodies said to be hidden on the island. You can befriend other Pokemons by cooking recipes. When you cook a recipe, Pokemon appear on your place and you can befriend them. You can also battle other Pokemon when you go on expeditions. Wild Pokemon appear and you have to battle with them and defeat them. When you defeat Pokemon, you receive various goodies. It is a very interesting game and you would surely love it. Also, it is very easy. The Pokemon move by themselves towards wild Pokemon, and once they detect wild Pokemon, they would reach there and you have to battle them out. You can also set this to auto so that your Pokemon battle by themselves, but it is less fun that way. There are multiple waves of wild Pokemon that you have to defeat in order to clear that level, and in the last wave you have to defeat the boss wild Pokemon of that level. The next game on our list is Score Hero 2, which is a sequel of football style award winning game. It is a great game with great graphics and realistic gameplay. In this, you have to control your hero and take him to glory.
The youngster has forced himself.
The game opens up before him. What's he going to do with this chance?
It is not like your normal football game. You have to draw
Great
lines
passing there. Making
pass
use
the
of the
ball.
wide spaces.
and you have to try score goal from various different positions.
Oh, he must score! He hits it! He showed his class there.
They're hungry for yet another goal.
It's an amazing game with so many different levels.
Defender in possession.
You wouldn't surely get bored with this game.
He's passing out wide.
And as you move on with the game, it gets more and more challenging.
They're looking threatening. He has a crack. Oh, it's a goal!
The 90 minutes are up. It's full time, and today's game comes to a close.
The last game on our list is Brawlhalla. It is a free cross-platform fighting game with many players. It also supports up to 8 players online in a single match with full cross-play. There are many game modes in this game like 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2 or 4-player online free for all. Also, you can play with your friends by creating a custom room. There are also many unique characters in this game that you can select.
Online.
It is a very easy to master and very fun to play game, especially if you have played game like Super Smash Brothers, then you would surely enjoy this game. You can also improve your skills in the training room You can practice and master various weaponries and your skills and try to win the game against your friends or online players. You have to attack others and try to score points. The one with the highest points wins the game. For this video, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do let me know in the comments down below which game you like the most, or if you want to recommend any other fun to play game. Also subscribe to my channel for more such gaming related content and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates and notifications. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.